This video demonstrates how to install LG SuperSign CMS software. Please sign up LG B2B Partner Portal to download the latest software. Once your account is approved by LG, you can find the auto or the LG SuperSign software in the link above. Once it is downloaded, unzip the file and right-click the file to run as administrator. Just in case your antivirus or firewall might block, better to stay right in front of your computer before the installation completes in about few minutes. We recommend to keep the default installation setting. After installation completes, program shortcut will be created on the desktop. Double-click it to launch LG SuperSign CMS software. Next video will show you how to get license.